Here is the washing machine. I am absolutely in love. I have it sitting on top of my kitchen counter. This is the water inlet hose that allows the water to come in. I've got that connected to my sink. And this is the drain hose to drain the water when I'm ready. And it is working awesome for me. Clothes washing, spinning real nice. And this is the drying side here for the spin dryer. And this dryer is really good. My clothes, I washed some clothes last night and they were dry this morning. Just take this out and you'll put your clothes down in there and then press this down to make sure that everything's nice and tight in there so you won't have your spinner off center. That easy to do laundry at home.